Good morning, students. Today we will start with division of rational numbers. Let P upon Q and R upon S be two rational numbers. So we will divide P upon Q divided by R upon S. If there is a division sign, so division sign will be converted into multiplication sign if we will convert R upon S into its reciprocal form. This can be written like this. P upon Q divided by R upon S equal to P upon Q into bracket reciprocal of R upon S. Reciprocal of R upon S is S upon R. Make sure that you will not do the reciprocal of this first rational number. You will do the reciprocal of the second rational number after the division sign. You will not do the reciprocal of this rational number. You will do the reciprocal of R upon S after division sign. So this can be written like this. P upon Q divided by R upon S equal to P upon Q into S upon R. Then we will simplify it. This numerator, make sure that all numerator and denominator is always simplified. You will not simplify like this. You will simplify like this or this. You will never simplify like this. Now example 10 upon 21 divided by 5 upon 7. This divide sign will be converted into multiplication sign and we will do the reciprocal of 5 upon 7. So this can be written like this. This can be written like 10 upon 21 into 7 upon 5. Then we can simplify 10 and 5 and we can simplify 7 and 21. We will get 2 upon 3. Next is minus 12 upon 15. Minus 12 upon 15 divided by 4 upon 5. This divided sign will be converted into multiplication sign and reciprocal of 4 upon 5, that is 5 upon 4. Then we will simplify 4 and minus 12 and we will simplify 5 and 15. We will get minus 1. Then 3 and 3, this 3 and this 3 will also get simplified. We will get minus 1. Third part, minus 18 upon 7 divided by minus 9 upon 14. We can write like this: minus 18 upon 7 into 14 upon minus 9 and minus 18. We will simplify. We will get 2, 7 and 14. We will get 2. Two negative signs are there, so answer will be in positive. One negative sign was there. We will get minus sign. If there is minus 1 की power odd, then we will get negative sign. If minus 1 power even, we will get positive sign. If two minus signs are there, then we will get plus. If 1 minus into 1 plus, we will get minus sign. Minus into minus, we will get plus. Minus into plus, we will get minus sign. Minus sign की power even, we will get positive sign. Minus की power odd, we will get minus sign. If two minus signs are there, answer will be in positive. If one minus sign is there, answer will be in negative. Now the product of two rational number is minus 6 upon 5. If one of the rational number is 12 upon 25, find the other. In the question, the product of two rational number is minus 6 upon 5 and one rational number is given. You have to find the other rational number. So first we will let the other rational number be x, and this is the other rational number and one rational number is given, and the product of these two rational number is minus 6 upon 5. X into 12 upon 25 into minus 6 upon 5. So x, now we have to find the value of x. So this number will be shifted here. X into 12 upon 25. It is in the multiplication. So when we will shift it here, 25 will go in the numerator and 12 will go in the denominator. Minus 6 upon 5 into 25 upon 12. This 25 we will shift it here and this 12 we will shift it here with the multiplication sign. Minus 6 upon 5 into 25 upon 12. 6 and 12 we have simplified. 5 and 25 we have simplified, and we are getting minus 5 upon 2. So the other rational number is minus 5 upon 2. In the question, the product of two rational number is given and one of the rational number is given. You have to find the other rational number. So we will let the other rational number be x. Then we will multiply both these rational number and we will get minus 6 upon 5. After that we will shift 12 upon 25 here. 25 will go in the numerator and 12 will go in the denominator, and after that we will simplify this, then we will get the value of x. Make sure that you have to leave x alone. So whatever will be there this side, whatever will be there with the x will shift, we will shift after equal to sign. If multiplication sign is there, it will go in the division. If division sign is there, it will go in the multiplication. So you can directly do like this. 25 will be in the numerator and 12 will be in the denominator with the multiplication sign. Next is, by what number should minus 7 upon 12 be divided to get minus 3 upon 4? In the question it is asked that minus 7 upon 12 be divided by which number. To get this, to get means equal to sign. Let the required number to be divided by x. Minus 7 upon 12 be divided by x to get this minus 3 upon 4. Then this sign will be converted to multiplication and reciprocal of x will be done. So minus 7 upon 12 into 1 upon x equal to minus 3 upon 4. We have to find the value of x. So first we will shift minus 7 upon 12 this side. This 12 will be go here and minus 7 will be go there. Then after that 4 and 12 we will simplify. It will come 9 upon 7. Minus sign will become positive. And 1 upon x equal to 1 upon x equal to 9 upon 7. After that we will reciprocal both sides. So x equal to 7 upon 9. We have to find the value of x. First we have made the equation minus 7 upon 12 be divided by x to get this. After that division sign will be changed, then reciprocal of x will be done. We have to find the value of x, so we will shift this number there. After that we will do the simplification. 1 upon x equal to 9 upon 7, and after this we will do the reciprocal. We will get the value of x. Next is, by what number should minus 7 upon 10 be multiplied to get the product 5 upon 6? We have to multiply minus 7 by 10 by any number. So first we will let the other number to be multiplied by x. So we will multiply x into minus 7 upon 10 to get 5 upon 6. We have to find the value of x. This number will be shifted here. 10 will go there, so minus 7 will go there. 5 upon 6 into 10 upon minus 7. After this we will simplify 6 and 10. We will get 3 and 5. 5 into 5, 25. 3 into 7, 21. And 1 minus sign is there. So answer will be negative. X equal to minus 25 upon 21. The required number is minus 25 upon 21. In this question we have to multiply any number by minus 7 upon 10 to get this. First we will make the equation, then we will find the value of x. Next is, fill in the blanks. Dash divided by 3 upon 7 equal to minus 4 upon 5. We will let this as x. So x divided by 3 upon 7 equal to minus 4 upon 5. We will change the division sign. It will become in multiplication. So we will reciprocal 3 upon 7. It will become 7 upon 3. X into 7 upon 3 equal to minus 4 upon 5. We will shift 7 upon 3 here. This 7 will go there and this 3 will go there. Then after this we can simplify this. Answer will be minus 12 upon 35. Next problem sum. From a 68-meter long rope, pieces of equal sizes are cut. If the length of each pieces is 4 1/4 meter, find the number of such pieces. The length of one piece is given 4 whole 1/4. We can convert it into mixed form 17 upon 4 meter, and we have to find the number of pieces. Let the number of pieces be x. One piece length is given. We have to find the number of pieces, so that total length will become 68 meter. x into 17 by 4. If one length of one piece is this, the length of x pieces will be x into 17 upon 4. Length of one piece is 17 upon 4, so length of x pieces will be x into 17 upon 4. Its total after multiplying this, we will get this answer 68, because it is given in the question. 68-meter long rope. This rope is cut into many pieces. We have to find such pieces. X into 17 upon 4 equal to 68. After this, we will find the value of x. 4 will be shifted here, 17 will be shifted here. 17 and 68 we will simplify. It will get 4. 4 into 4, 16. There are 16 pieces. Thank you, class.